In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a refundable deposit in QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to set this up properly will help you maintain clear financial records and ensure that any refundable deposits are accurately tracked and managed. The first thing we need to do is create an account specifically for your refundable deposit within the chart of accounts. This will allow you to manage these transactions separately and keep everything organized. To get started, let's navigate to the chart of accounts. Head over to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on the gear icon. Once you've clicked on this, you'll see an option for Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and select it. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts, you'll want to create a new account. To do this, look to the top right of your screen again, and you'll see a button labeled New or New Account. Click on this to start setting up your new account. You'll be prompted to name the account. Choose a name that clearly signifies it's for refundable deposits, as this will make it easier to identify later on. After naming your new account, it's crucial to select the correct account type to ensure your deposits are handled correctly within your financial reports. For this situation, select Other Current Liabilities as your account type. This categorizes the deposits accurately, reflecting their nature as a liability until they are refunded. Next, you'll need to pick a detail type that best fits the nature of the refundable deposits your business handles. QuickBooks offers a range of options, so choose the one that aligns with your business needs. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save, and just like that, you've set up an account for your refundable deposit. Now that your account is ready, there are two ways you can start using it for transactions. One option is to select this new account directly when you create a new transaction. You'll find it listed as a category you can choose, which integrates it seamlessly into your transaction records. Alternatively, if you prefer to manually enter transactions for these deposits, you can do so by navigating back to the chart of accounts. Find your newly created account and click View Register. This allows you to manually enter records, providing flexibility depending on how you manage your business finances. And there you have it. Setting up and managing a refundable deposit account in QuickBooks Online is straightforward when you know the steps. This process will contribute to a more organized financial overview and help in maintaining transparency in your records. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!